to the RecordsKeeper.AI tutorial series. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to upgrade your subscription plan. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the sidebar menu, click on Billing and Invoices. Here you'll find all the details related to your current subscription. You can see the current plan is Gold, the billing cycle is monthly, and the plan price is $99. You'll also see your next billing date, billing amount, and your subscription ID, which is helpful if you need support in the future. To upgrade your plan, click on the Update Subscription Plan button. I'm upgrading my plan to the Platinum plan. Click Buy Plan. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal and billing information, such as your first name, last name, email address, and company name. After that, click Agree Terms and Condition box and then click on Subscribe. You'll receive an OTP from your bank. Once verified, your subscription will be activated. You'll now see that your plan has been successfully upgraded to Platinum with all updated details, including billing cycle and plan price. Congratulations, you have upgraded your plan successfully. We've learned how to upgrade a subscription plan in RecordsKeeper.AI. Don't forget to explore the platform and make the most of your free trial and premium features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.